Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. We making some fat burritos tonight. Here's the Instant Pot hookup. See the Instant Pot? And it's like there's rice and tomatoes and chorizo and probably a bunch of spices in there. Yeah. And we got some onions here. Some of these refried beans. And here's where I'm at so far on the burrito. Then we got cheese over here. Jalapeno slices if you want them. A lime right there. Tortillas. Some guacamole. Sour cream. Let's hook it up. And there it is, guys. Look at all that stuff on there. Got the little lime wedge right there. Jalapenos, guacamole. This hot sauce over here, which was a pain in the ass to open. I mean, like, I haven't experienced that in a long friggin' time. Anyway, got some on there. Then squirt that on there. Hook it up, yo. We'll be back. There we go, guys. Just wrap it up. I didn't do both ends. I just did it like a Taco Bell. Like they would at the Taco Bell drive-thru. You know? Stop. So yeah. Yep. Just want to bring you that, guys. A little bit of content today. See it all mixed up in there. Get all mighty fine. Yeah, dog. Pretty legit. Chorizo burrito. Yeah. Alright, guys. I'm out of here. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Please share with the world all that cringy YouTube crap. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. Chronic Eats out. Peace.